The architecture of your website, that is, the way pages are linked together, is often overlooked as an SEO tactic. Instead, the task is often left to website designers to figure out. Yet, when search engines are not thought about when creating the site's navigation, other SEO techniques that you implement will have less chance of success. Site architecture, which is sometimes referred to as information architecture, is basically how the pages of a website are linked together. The way you, as a site owner, link to them within the navigational structure tells people and search engines which pages are important, as well as which aren't. It makes a lot of sense when you think about it. If you link to pages in your main navigation on every page of your website, you're making a statement that they're important. On the other hand, if other pages are buried because they take 4 or 5 clicks to even find on your site, you're saying they're not important, and the search engines will give them less weight accordingly, because they have less link popularity, or as we like to say in the SEO biz, less link juice. In putting together the Kindle review site, I needed to think about what types of pages would be important enough to link to in the main navigation. Here's my Kindle review site. There were a few different places within the site's template to link to important categories. The top navigation of the page is one place, but there's also another navigational section for reviews, which is linked to from every page of the site. That's another good place to link to top-level important categories and subcategories. You probably have some idea of what pages are important enough to link to within your main navigation, but you should also use your keyword research to help with this task. Your keyword research can tell you what people are most interested in because of what they're seeking out at search engines. Use that information to create category links accordingly. Of course, you'll want to make sure that they relate to what your site's all about, as you'll find it's pretty impossible to squeeze new categories into a site if they don't really belong there.